Want to earn money from home? Remotasks makes it easy. Just sign up, complete a quick training, and start tackling simple tasks like image labeling or transcriptions. It's flexible, easy to get started, and you can work at your own pace. Perfect for earning on your site. So, hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Remotasks. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Remotasks like that, and then you click over here and you will find the home page. Already signed up, that's why we have here my account, and we have several things that could help you for a good earning of money. So first, let's know what is Remotasks. Remotasks is an online platform that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as image annotation, data labeling, or transcription. After signing up and completing some training, you can start working on various tasks at your own pace, making it a flexible way to earn income from home. So after sign up for Remotasks, you have just to start by completing the necessary training for the tasks you want to do. The training helps you learn how to complete tasks like image, labeling, or transcription correctly. Once trained, you can start selecting tasks from the platform and working on them at your own pace. Each task you complete earns you money, and the more accurate you work, the better tasks you will have access to. So you can just work whenever it fits your schedule. Just keep checking for new tasks and start earning. Right? So here we have how you can get started by click over start task in here, and then you'll find other page, which is this one. And we have here several things that you have to know about how you can get started. You have just to click over start here, and we have here also please consider your PC ability to handle various tasks, applications, and games. Choose the category that best reflects your overall experience. So if visit my PC is suitable for basic tasks like browsing the web and office work. Or here we have high, my PC is capable of smoothly running demanding applications, heavy gaming, content creation, or professional software. So you can choose the one you want. I will select the first one, then I will click over continue. And here we have how much RAM memory does your computer. So we have just to select how much, and then you click over continue, and then we have here how much RAM memory does your computer, and you select how much again, and you click over continue. And also we have here how fast does your internet connection work, and then you click over continue once you're done. And also we have here thanks for completing the Remotasks audio and video, and you click over continue, and then you have continue tasks. Again, you will find here your task queue is currently empty, so let's just go back to the dashboard. And here we have how you can start tasking, and also we have here other things. As you can see, we have here pending payment, and in the top we have dashboard, and we have task log. So we have your task log. Overall, this is everything you have ever done on the platform. And we have also here task log and sessions. All right. And also we have here balance, as you can see. And here we have see pending payouts, and we have also here more tasks tires, and we have also here onboarding, as you can see. So we have various options here that could help you in remote tasks to more understand remote tasks and other things. All right. About this one, you'll find the image segmentation. We have browse project, and we have other things here. You have just to go and read this information to more understand. We have missions. About this one, we have important information. Missions are a way to earn additional rewards to complete work, and we have also here missions are paid out once all milestones are completed or once the missions expires. And then we have task availability for missions is subject to customer demand, and having a mission does not guarantee work to complete. Then we have progress on hours based missions, and we have it right now. We have no active missions, and right now we have also here active, upcoming, and completed as well. Right, so we can just start missions and we start earning money on that. Then we have here feedback, and then we have feedback center, and we have also here support, So we have your help support community, join our Slack, and then you'll find other information about Remotasks and how it works with this platform, which is Remotasks. All right. So we have see what Remotask community is up to. You have just to continue and with Google or Apple or continue with email, and you get started with this one, right? So right now let's just come back to the dashboard. So when we have in the dashboard of various things, welcome back, and we have here active projects, no active project. Have here more tasks, task progress tracker, and we have also here more with remote tasks a lot. Let's just click on over learn more, and here we have what is the Remotasks tariff program and what's the benefits and how do I join the program, and we have how do I earn remote points, how does XP work. So the first new concept we want to introduce to is experience points, and we have here is meant to represent the amount of work that you have done on our platform. It's XP. So every time you complete the task, you will receive a certain amount of XP. Then you will earn money from that. And here we have some examples as you can see. And here we have how do I track my progress, and other things as you can see. So we have some questions. How does MTQ support work? How does support priorities work, and various information. You just read each one, and if you find here your question, you read his answer and you get started with remote tasks, right? So you have just to sign in up using your email address or using your Google as well, and you get started with this platform and you start earning money from here, right? So remote task is as flexible and as straightforward way to earn money by completing simple online tasks. After completing the training, you can work at your own pace and choose tasks that fit your skills. With consistent work, you can increase your earnings and unlock more opportunities, making it a great option for side income. So this is how it works with this platform. You have just to follow the steps to get started. Then you start earning money from here by just reading those information because it's very helpful to use it. For example, what is remote tasks type program, what are the benefits, and also we have here how do I join the program, how do I earn remote points, and then we have how do I track my progress, how does MTQ support work, how does support priorities work, how does the faster reviews work, and you have here bonus as you can see. And that's it for this platform, and that's it for this website, and this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.